Okay, so here we have a modified three-phase floor mount drill press that the customer wanted as a table mount. So here at Odiz we can do new machine retrofits. So in this case we have an interlocked shield for the chuck. It has a start, stop, e-stop. There's an indicator light when the guard is up. It'll say guard fault, and the machine will not stop. One of Odiz custom safety enclosures, so it has a contactor overload for the motor overload fault. There's circuit breakers, DC power supply for the low voltage signals on the guard. Once again, if you need turnkey standardized safety new machines to hit your floor, so this one will just be mount up, ready to go.